Hello everyone, greeting from China. Thank you for watching YDM Power Online, Global Gas Generator Expert. Today, I would like to show you further information about gas power generator. Now, I'm standing with this nicely designed, beautiful colored natural gas power generator. We try to know more information about it. What are we going to do? Let's imagine we are in a social place. We just meet up a cool friend. We try to know more information about this new friend, no matter him or her. What are we going to do? Usually, we will get the name card from this new friend. This way, we could find the new information about this person. So now, let's talk back to this generator set. The same thing. We need to get the name card from this generator. Here we go. This is a name card of this power generator. Let's see what information is on it. We can see the logo here, YDM Power. Then we can see the natural gas generator on it. This is like the name of a person. Then we keep going. We can see the model here. We can list the model number of this power generator here. Then we can see the output, 320 kilowatt. This is very important information of a generator. Then we can see the power factor, 0.8. And also we can see the voltage, 230 and 400 volt. This is another important information for generator set. Then we can see the current, 576 ampere and 50 hertz frequency. Then another important index here is 1,500 RPM. Then we can see the net weight, 3,500 kilogram. That means 3.5 metric ton. And this is a three-phase generator. From here, you can see the standard serial number. This is more like the ID card number of this generator. So after checking the name card, we already have a basic information of this gas generator.